Welcome to how to use the product comparison feature in the Georgia First Marketplace. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to use the product comparison feature in the Georgia First Marketplace to find the item that best suits your purposes. As you can see, we are now in the Georgia First Marketplace. The product comparison feature allows the selection of two or more products to do a direct side-by-side comparison of the product attributes of each item. This feature can only be used to evaluate hosted catalog items. You cannot use it to compare items through punch-out suppliers where you actually select items from the supplier's website. Let's start from the home page. I'm going to input File Folder as the search term. We have 1,248 results. Because we have so many results, I'm going to filter them by selecting the More link under By Category so that I can see all of my choices. Now I'll select Folders. We now have only 19 results. To select items to compare, we simply select the Compare link on the right side of an item. I'll select Office Depot Economy File Folders. Notice that the link changed to Remove. If we wanted to remove that item from the comparison, we would select the Remove link. Now let's select another item's Compare link. I'll choose SMED Color In tab folders. We'll scroll to the Compare Selected button at the top. Notice that the Compare Selected button indicates how many products we have chosen to compare. After clicking this button, we can see all of the product details and attributes on one page. The bar on the left lists the comparison attributes, beginning with Product Details. This is a great way to compare similar items. When you are done with your comparison, you can add items to your cart or select the Back to Search Results button. If we return to our search items, we see that our items remain in the comparison, where we can add to them or remove them from the comparison. You should now be able to find the Georgia First Marketplace items that best suit your needs. This concludes the lessons on how to search for items in the Georgia First Marketplace. Return to the ePro Georgia First Marketplace training page to access additional lessons. If you have further questions, please contact the ITS Help Desk at helpdesk@usg.edu. Thank you for attending.